This step is going to be really quick. We're going to insert the Raspberry Pi Pico into the screw terminal breakout board, and these pins on the underside of the Pico, they're going to go into these openings in these black headers on the terminal breakout board. You need to see two landmarks here. One is this end of the Raspberry Pi Pico, which has a USB port on it, and this end over here, which is a specialized component for testing the board. So just align the pins probably on the far side first. Just align them with the holes, align the ones near to you with the holes on this header, and then push directly down as much as you can, just vertically, to slide the board into place. And that's all that's needed to attach the Pico to the breakout board.